Downloading Prime Video titles is a pretty simple thing to do, so all you have to do is to watch this video till the end to get to know about it. I will add the Amazon link in the description so you can check it out. So let's dive right into the video. So in order to download the movies and shows for the offline version so you can watch it later, what you have to do is to have two options. One, you can buy the Amazon Fire tablet, which is right over here. By acquiring this tablet, you will get Amazon Prime for free. So the second step is by downloading the Amazon Prime application. By doing so, you will be able to download the shows or movies offline. So go over a movie or a show that you want to watch offline and simply click on it. Once you do it, you will have this option: watch now, trailer, add to watch list, or download. So what you have to do is to download it. So by downloading it, you will be able to watch it in an offline mode. So that way you will be able to do it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.